Hey, my name is Mustafa, and I'm here to fuck with Mother Nature. Yeah, it's a park, not a jungle. After 2 hours of searching for something challenging, dangerous, I finally found the death birds, and that's the deadliest, most evil sound I've ever heard. They attack without warning. If they bite you, that's it. That's the end of you. So I'm gonna try to fuck with them and see what they got. There they are, gaining up. What's up, ho? Hey, what's up, man? What's up, bitch? What you looking at, man? Funny ass looking at. Ho, what's up? Come on, bitch. Show me what you got, man. Why you running, man? You scared, huh? What's up, ho? Thought so. Shit. And that's their response. So I'm going to continue my journey and find something more challenging, more deadly, more scary. Another deadly animal. Hoping it's more dangerous than the death bird. They call it iron dragons. I don't know what to do. That's why it's kind of scary. But hey, I'm Mustafa. What's up, bitch? You see it? It's hiding on the tree. Really big tree. That's why you can't tell the size. It's bigger than a human being. 3 times. It can swallow a person who weighs 180 in 5 minutes. What's up, bitch? Hey, you scared, man? Once you get the fuck out this tree, man, come find me, man. Hey, what's up? What? I don't hear you, fool. I don't hear you. Hey. Come on, man. Show me what you got, fool. Come on. I found the most sneaky animal in this jungle, and they call it the jumping pain. And I'm going to show you right now. You can't really see it, but I'm going to try to get close that I can without getting bit or getting harmed. If you can see it, it's right there. So sneaky. Ah, saw that? Have been jumped. It's right there. Right there. You saw that? You saw that? It's very, very scary. I don't recommend it to you guys to go check on or go close to it like I did. It's very, very dangerous. Alright. Hi guys. There's a bug on the camera. Anyways. I'm here. In this part I'm gonna teach you how to create or make fire if you're like lost in the jungle and you know have dead animal you wanna eat. Or you cold, or you trying to make the wild animals and the animals that want to eat you, away from you because they're scared of fire. So I'm gonna give you a little lesson on how to create fire. You need 2 sticks, and you're gonna put this down here, and with this, you're gonna create elements for thermal energy that will light up. The stick. It seems like it takes more than what I thought, and you just gotta be patient. You gotta just try hard. Or yeah, thank you, man. Or you can use this thing called lighter. It's more helpful if you're out in the jungle. Subscribe!